Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I want to thank Ashimary Hair for sending me over this wig and sponsoring this video today. They sent me over this 24-inch balayage blonde wig. It is a frontal 13x6 and it is gorgeous, absolutely stunning. As you can see, this wig is speaking, okay? But if you guys want to see me install this wig and see everything that comes with it, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave that right here so you guys can follow me over there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, you guys, and let's get into this wig review. All right, you guys, so we are working with Ashimary Hair. We got a cute little number today, y'all. All right, first, you're gonna get some lashes. These are cute. Some wig caps, edge wrap, cute little Halloween hair clip with the hand. That's cute. We got some cute little like Halloween jewelry. It's like a choker, like a little necklace with a bat. Get a baby hair brush. Look at the comb on this one. Ooh, I ain't seen one of those before. A little razor. Then you get a robe. Excuse me. A little satin robe. We like these. Every time I get one of these, I hang them up in my closet. So I got a nice little collection, okay? And then, of course, the wig. All right, so here is the wig, you guys. Can we get into this color? This is a straight balayage. This hair feels good. The quality of this hair feels really, really good. I'm really excited to work with this color hair. Like, I don't think I've ever had a wig this color before, so this is definitely a first. But can we just get into the quality of this wig, y'all? Like, look at this. And it's got some layers right here in the front. It's probably the frontal part. Okay, so this is 24 inches. It is a 13x6. Oh, this parting. This is so much parting. You guys could do so many styles with this. I'm just gonna do a deep side part. There is 3 combs inside. You got your adjustable straps on the side at the back as well. The hairline does look a little pre-plucked. Hold on, let me see. I'll put this in here. Can you see? You can see a little better like that. It does look a little pre-plucked, but I'm definitely gonna go in and pluck some more on here. I've never like installed a wig this light on my head. I just don't even know. Like, I'm gonna pluck some. I'm gonna pluck it a little bit. But yeah, we're gonna install this. Listen, what does this tag say? Oh, this is just a cute little branding tag with some information on the back. That's cute. But the quality of this wig looks great. The ends look really good as well. Feels very soft. It's 250% density as well. Did not mention that. But yes, it looks good. Y'all, I'm a little nervous, but I'm excited too. I kind of want to change my shirt. I don't know. I might change my shirt at the end. Let's get into this. I'm going to pluck this a little bit off camera though, and then I'll be back and we'll install this baby. Let me tell y'all, I have grown. The way I'm installing these wigs, this 13x6 frontal, listen, the skills have skyrocketed. First of all, let's give it to Ashimary for the lace though. The lace is great. I did go in and pluck this wig, but the way I laid this wig down, and we got the tuck behind the ear, excuse me, call me Stormy, okay? My new name is, no. Whenever I wear this wig, I go by Stormy, okay? I wish somebody would tell me I didn't lay this wig. And I got my real edges out, and I think it still looks good. I don't know, I like it. I don't want to tuck them in. But with that being said, this wig looks so good. I did such a good job. The quality on this hair, y'all. This hair is giving black girl magic. This hair is giving, the chocolate girls are wearing every single color, okay? Every single color looks good. The hair is flat. It is laying, baby. Like, this hair is everything. Let me show y'all the back real quick, okay? So that's the back of the hair, you guys. The hair is absolutely gorgeous. This hair, it's just like, look how beautiful this hair looks. Yes, it's giving luxe. Please let me know how you guys feel about this wig. Y'all tell me if you like it on me, okay? I'm loving it. I'm falling more in love with it every minute that I have this on. I got something on my shirt. I'm not changing it. But yes, this is the hair. So it is, let's go over the specs on this hair one more time. This is a 24-inch blonde balayage, they call it. 13x6 frontal. And it is absolutely gorgeous, okay? I did have to pluck a lot of the wig. I did pluck a lot on the edges because I wanted to be as realistic as possible. So that took me probably like 20 minutes or so. I went ahead and put some contour powder on the parting, and I used this lace bond to glue the wig down, okay? She's not going anywhere. I didn't use any of the combs in there either, but the wig is very comfortable. It is a breathable type of wig as well. So it's nice and comfortable and feels very, very secure. But yes, it is just gorgeous, you guys. It just feels so good. So you're gonna wanna run your fingers through this hair constantly, okay? But don't do that because you don't want your wig to get all oily. I did not wash this wig beforehand. I put it on straight out of the package and plucked it and installed her, okay? So yes, this is the wig. It is gorgeous. Please leave your thoughts in the comments below. I want to hear what you guys think about this wig. Thank you everybody for coming to my channel. Thank you Ashimary for sponsoring this video and sending over this wig. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.